Thank you very much for coming here today, and to the entire Amaha team for bringing us to this moment. Thank you, sir and ma'am, for gracing the occasion and establishing the importance of mental health. We all recognize that there is no health without mental health. And when it comes to mental health, all nations are developing nations, as has been famously said. So in a country that has a third of the global burden of depression, of addiction, of suicide cases, it's really for all of us to come together to take accountability and build care that is inclusive and that is, as Amit mentioned, human-centric, and that is looking at mental health not just as a subset of health, but as a development issue. After all, livelihood, education, gender issues, all of these play into mental health conditions, and better mental health impacts all of these aspects of our lives. We talked a little bit about working with children and young people, and many of us have been, like Amit mentioned, personal carers across our lifespan. I'm also one of those first unfortunate and then now very fortunate people to have actually gone through an entire journey right from the 1980s of a parent who has dealt with schizophrenia and continues to live with the illness, but is very stable and doing very well, and an active grandparent in her daughter's life, in her granddaughter's life as well, living with us in Mumbai. I'm also, I've been a carer for my younger brother, who unfortunately died by suicide 5 years ago. And I think for lack of the care continuum that Amit talks about, for lack of quality facilities, and for our inability as a country to come together and just be human and recognize that everyone needs the kind of care and support we would extend to our family and friends. So it's been a dream that we've carried in our hearts for 40 plus years of our lives. Amit and myself, who went to the same high school in Delhi, perhaps were dreaming this dream simultaneously, and now we have been able to, together with our 200 plus member team, really bring this facility to you today. It's the culmination and the beginning of a journey that Amaha has had, now reaching over 600 cities and towns across the country, over 18 languages, and treating thousands and supporting thousands of families across the lifespan. It's been an absolute pleasure to work with the Children First team, because we're really able to support multi-generational care. And for a lot of conditions that are lifelong, we talked about our caregiving journey as children, and then, you know, as now I'm a parent of a 12-year-old, and for a lot of us, this is very personal, therefore, to make sure that all 3 or 4 generations in our family find the support, and more importantly, find the support with as least struggle as possible. Care being so fragmented, access to services being so difficult, quality being so unreliable, our ability to recognize it in time. We know that people take 3 to 4 years to get to their first mental health appointment, and the treatment gap is over 95% in this country. So with 50 million children struggling with mental health challenges, and as Amit mentioned, 200 million Indians from a 2017 NIMHANS report, I think this is a problem that has really sort of gone to head. Many of us who have seen severe mental illness in the family really hope and pray that people find a home and comfort care and the support they need in their times of distress. And I hope that we're able to follow through on that mission. With the start of this first hospital, we are now in the hands of Dr. Divya Nallur, who we've admired the work of over the last 5 years. And she's leading our entire clinical efforts across the country, and it's such a humbling moment for us to be here today. At the India Mental Health Alliance, we hope to bring together organizations that are truly cross-sectoral. We have over 215 member organizations now who have joined us from across the country, and that is our not-for-profit arm that is committed to providing quality training, building clinical excellence, and bringing organizations together to solve for mental health. So with all of these beginnings in place, we really feel like 10, 20 years from now, we might feel like we've done some justice to the challenges that we have faced individually, but also so many of us have faced in the course of our lifetime. Thank you so much for being here, and for everyone for making this moment so special and so important to the most vulnerable in our country. Thank you so much.